Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like, share and comment the video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a design and shape on Pixel app easily. Open the Pixel app, select a shape, duplicate the shape, rotate the shape, then select another shape, to back the shape, change the color of shape, select a photo, to back the photo, select the stroke, adjust the color weight. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.